May seek your lordship indulgence in making a mention of item number 16 from the hearing list, your lordship. Your lordship, I have some personal difficulty in conducting a hearing today. If this matter can be fixed on after a week, your lordship. I have taken the consent of the other parties.
Amicus, no, you're not the amicus, you're the normal, this thing, is it? Council. Anyway, Miss Ulala, wasn't it? Miss Mary El Kiante, learned additional PP, has prayed for adjournment of the matter, which is not objected by Mr. Victor L. Ralte, learned counsel for the appellant. In view of the above, list the matter after 2 weeks. The presence of Miss Emily L. Sankte, learned legal aid counsel, correspondent number 2, is noted. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
May it please your lordship, with regards to item number 14, my lord, on behalf of the legal aid counsel, Mr. Jordan Rauming Thanga, my lord, inadvertently a submission was made that paper book has already been received by the legal aid counsel, but upon verification, the legal aid counsel has not been provided with the same.
Will some other mention is made on behalf of Mr. Jordan Rohmin Thanga, legal aid counsel, for respondent number 2, that paper book has not been received by him. In view of the above, this is, are you the amicus? No.
No, Your Lordship.
In view of the above, the learned counsel for the appellant is to ensure that a copy of the paper book is duly furnished to the learned counsel, legal aid counsel. Matter be listed.
Next week, Your Lordship.
After 1 week, my lord, if it's
We can provide within this week also,
But
Lordship.
he has
Next
to
week.
prepare also, no?
Yes.
List the matter after 1 week.
obliged.
Lordship, regarding item number 11. Sorry, Lordship. The counsel for the state is on leave, and
Who is the counsel for the state?
Caroline, Miss Caroline, and
So
none
you're
of,
praying for adjournment?
yes, on her behalf.
Yes, not objected. Mr. Jonathan, John, isn't it? Mr. Jonathan
Silo.
L. Silo, learned counsel for respondent number 1, is present along with Mr. T. Lal Zekima, learned counsel for the appellant. However, it is submitted at the bar that the government advocate, Ms. Caroline K. Lalungoipui, is on leave, and therefore matter may be adjourned. In view of the above, list the matter after, when is she joining? 2 weeks?
Manoj, she has submitted her leave till 31st this month.
Till 31/10, so if it's 2 weeks, after 3 weeks.
Malab.
Okay, list the matter after 3 weeks.
Next.
For admission, item number 1.
Yes.
Yes, Your
PIL.
Lordship. I have received the instruction regarding that step has been taken, and step is taken to publish advertisement for recruitment of the staffs. That is LDC, driver, and group
So
depot.
affidavit, last time you said rules. What about the rules?
The rules is already approved, Your Lordship.
Approved? And have you
Approved, and
filed
now-
it?
Yes.
Oh, yes, additional affidavit. When did you file this? 24th September.
24th September, yes. It's
And
already
closing the
approved.
rules.
Yes. And now step has been taken to establish.
What steps?
They are going to publish advertisement
For
for
the-
recruitment.
Recruitment of the staff.
Staffs.
Then we'll list after some time. At least some steps have been taken, isn't it?
Yes, lordship.
Ms. Rosalind Elmar, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present along with Ms. Vane Isiami, learned government advocate for the state respondents, and Ms. Zaira Sangpur, learned CGC for respondents number 3 and 4. It is seen that the government advocate has filed their additional affidavit wherein the where's the rules? When the Mizoram State Human Rights Commission rules, 2025 has been notified. But it's not a gazette notification. It should be notified in the gazette, isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship. For that, one step has been taken, but it has already been laid before the Legislative Assembly, and it's already
No,
approved.
wherein the Mizoram's, wherein the protection of human rights, no, wherein the Mizoram State Human Rights Commission rules 2025 is ready for notification, okay, in the official gazette. In view of the boss, in the official gazette, and the learned government advocate submits that steps are now going to be taken for advertising the recruitment of the various posts under the Mizoram State Human Rights Commission rules, 2025. In view of the above submission, list the matter after
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks for the state respondents to file additional affidavit updating this court of the steps taken by the state respondents to establish the Mizoram Human Rights Commission.
Obliged.
Item number 2.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm appearing for the appellant. Lordship, on the last court date, it is highlighted that appropriate chance to be given to the respondent to be duly represented. However, it seems that till today, none is presented on behalf of the respondent number 2. So,
Respondent number 1, okay, respondent number 2. Now, is there respondent number 3?
no, only 1 and 2. my
1
lord.
and 2.
Yes, my lord.
Who is respondent number 2?
The Employee Provident Fund Organization, Ministry of Labour, Government of India. And notice is also duly served.
Now, it appears that the respondent number 2 was duly represented when the matter was considered before the learned single judge, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
I think they had a counsel then, respondent number 2, just see. Here, so you find out whether they're going to still
It
represent.
seems Miss Jessie Rinsangi was representing respondent number 2.
Appearing, because I think the presence of respondent number 2 is important, is necessary. Find out if he's going to continue to, no, here, Mr. Zoram, who is the respondent number 2 then? J.C. Lalrin Sangi was respondent number 3.
Yeah, in the
But now they have, in the appeal, they have made respondent
The number
number
two.
2. So we'll give them a final chance to be duly represented.
lord.
In the meantime, you find out whether the same counsel, J.C. Lalrin Sangi,
yes,
who
my
had
lord.
represented the respondent number 2, would be appearing or not.
My lord.
Or maybe they are not interested to appear. So we'll give them a final chance, isn't it? Because, yes, heard Miss
R.K. Rinsangi.
R.K. Lalrinsani, learned counsel for the appellant, along with Mr.
Stephen Lalbuatsaya.
Stephen Lalbuatsaya, Learned Counsel for Respondent number 1. It is seen that though AD card was duly returned from respondent number 2 on service of notice, however, the respondent number 2 remained unrepresented today, full stop. This court, however, in the interest of justice, find it appropriate to give another chance for respondent number 2 to be duly represented by observing that the respondent number 2 was duly represented by a counsel before the learned single bench. No, here, postal tracking. In the postal tracking, it says item received. Okay. But here, in the last order, I think AD card is mentioned. Okay, here. 22, AD card received. Anyways, in view of the above, list the matter after 2 weeks. Now we-
Item number 3.
Yes,
My lord, this is a criminal writ petition praying for early release of the convict Sri Kamlyana, who has been behind bars for 20 years. My lord. He's been behind bars for 20 years and he's
he's been behind bars for how many years?
20 years now.
20
Till-
years.
Yes, my lord.
But the state level committee,
They have considered, they have had a committee, the state level committee on 7/10/2022. And
but
They
is
have-
it appropriate for this bench to interfere? Because where's the decision?
the decision is on the next page, my lord. As per the provision of clause 20.08.
Next page means what? Where
The-
next page?
There's no pagination in this. Latest, come on, second last page. Second last page. The third last page, I'm reading the third.
Is it the my notes of the meeting dated 26/3/2025?
That is the latest one.
Latest. So what is the reason here? Please read.
The meeting was presided over by Pu Vanil Moya Secretary, Home Department cum Chairman, State Level Committee on Premature Release. After welcoming the members, the Chairman invited Pu R. Vanil Sota, Member, Secretary SLC, to present the meeting agendas and to give a brief summaries of the agendas. There are 9 life convicts. The next page, I'll read the. After careful and thorough deliberation of the agendas one by one with available documents, the committee, in order to avoid the circumstances that may lead to the outbreak of retribution and backlash from victim circles and also for public interest, and in line with police inquiry reports, unanimously denied the premature release of the aforementioned life convicted prisoners this time. The committee referred their case to be reconsidered at the earliest convenient time. And my lord,
So who are the convicts
Same
considered?
reason for all 9 persons.
all 9.
So where is the police report?
My lord, I have only received one, this one, a copy of the writ petition as well as
This
the
is from the jail.
only from the jail appeal. And a certificate regarding his performance as most reformed inmates.
Where is that? And under what section, what is the crime committed by him, where's the judgment? All that we have to see, isn't it?
Yes, my lord, I have not received any of that yet.
We'll have to call for the records. You're the amicus.
Yes, my lord.
Because we'll have to see what is the nature of the offense for which he has been committed. And then, isn't it? Yes.
My lord, it's
PP,
302.
anything?
Yes, it's under 302. It's a murder case, so it's quite serious.
Let's see the nature,
Yes.
would they take ill, whatever. And then the reasoning made by the committee saying that they said that they refer their cases to be reconsidered at the earliest convenient time. So they've not refused it completely. And then the name of the instant petitioner has also not been mentioned. So actually we can dispose this off, isn't it? I'll just express my thoughts. Instant writ petition, okay, by remanding the matter to the state level committee. Okay, that see, it's for all 9 of them, very general. Okay, to consider the case of the instant writ petitioner, okay, and dispose it off with a reasoned order. Speaking order, for each individual. Simply this blanket, this thing cannot be. And since they said at a more, at earliest convenient time, so maybe we can fix a distinct time limit, outer limit of maybe, how much, 3 weeks or what? What do you think? 1 month. Okay, outer limit of 1 month.
1 month.
Okay, to dispose. So we'll pass the order.
My lord, there's another thing. He has prayed that on his releasing, he should not be pushed back to Myanmar. That is another prayer.
Okay, you have not given us the full facts.
My lord,
He's from Myanmar.
Yes, he does not wish to go back to Myanmar.
That's for the committee to decide.
Yes.
Okay, we will not look into that, just his case, by specifically his case, because it appears that his case as an individual has not been considered. So it should be considered as an individual, and with the speaking order, it should be with appropriate reasons. Okay, so we'll dispose it of that way. We'll pass the full order later. Yes, disposed.
Item number 4.
Yes, rejoin the affidavit filed.
My lord, as for the petitioners, after carefully examining the affidavit filed by the state, my lord, I will not be filing my rejoinder.
Okay, then pleadings.
We are waiting for the response from the MPSC. They have
The
been-
affidavit has
Oh,
been
counter
filed, ma'am.
affidavit yet to be filed by respondent number?
Number 6, my lord.
6.
We have filed this morning, ma'am.
Okay, then it's not in the records, we'll list some other day. Okay. Mr. Victor L. Ralte, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present along with Ms. Vani Siame, learned government advocate for the state respondents, and Mr. Rokhuma, okay, learned counsel for respondent number 6. The learned counsel for respondent number 6 submits that they have filed their counter affidavit this morning. In view of the above, since the counter affidavit is not available on record, list the matter after 2 weeks.
Yes, my lord.
Are you going to file a
No, my
counter?
lord, I will not be filing.
You'll not
I will
be
not be
filing.
filing rejoinder against the state affidavit.
What about respondent number 6?
I will have to
you-
examine it first.
Okay.
I may be
List the
granted
matter
liberty.
after 2 weeks, wherein the learned counsel for the petitioner may file his rejoinder affidavit to the counter affidavit filed by respondent number 6, if so advised, please.
Deeply obliged.
For orders, item number 6.
Correspondence, we haven't received the copies of the IA.
Who is the counsel for the petitioner?
My lord, I
Yes,
have,
okay,
my lord, I have sent the soft copies, my lord, and hard copies, my lord. I pray, my lord, this week, within this week, I will be,
you just furnish
completing
copies.
the survey.
Okay, you furnish, okay.
my lord.
Heard Mr. Harish Gupta, learned counsel for the applicant, appearing through VC, and Mr. Jonathan El Silo, learned counsel for the respondent, who submits that since he has been recently engaged, copies of the IA.
As well
What's
as
the idea about?
Condonation of delay, my lord.
Okay.
In the connected
And
appeal.
the connected writ appeal has not been furnished to him. In view of the above, the learned counsel for the applicant/appellant to take necessary steps for furnishing copies to the learned counsel for the private respondents. Full stop. The presence of Mr. Samuel L. Changte, learned counsel for respondent number.
70 to 73.
Okay, learned, you're appearing as the additional AG, is it? Learned additional AG, appearing for the state respondents as noted.
We received the copy also.
Yes.
My lord.
Item number 8.
Lordship, in this case, we have taken steps to some extent, but could not be completed at this stage, because there are many villages which has to be.
Okay, we'll give you 3 more.
4 weeks.
4
because
weeks
this-
time,
Yes.
okay.
Because this, we are
Mr.
scattered village.
Roshan, heard Mr. Roshan Subedi, learned counsel for the applicant/appellant, who has prayed for a further 4 weeks' time to complete service of notice upon all the respondents. Full stop. In view of the above, list the matter after 4 weeks.
Item number 9.
Same, similar.
Just make it all the private respondents. Okay, come, yes. Same order?
Same order.
Item number 10.
My lord, for the respondent number 1 to 3.
My lord,
And-
What? 1 to 3, yes, represented.
Yes, my lord. And we need 3 weeks' time for filing our objection.
Written objection. What about 4?
My lord, as per the office note, it is still awaited, my lord.
Yes, Hazar M. Sangpur, learned counsel for the applicant/appellant is present along with Miss
Vanal Swami.
Valal Somi, learned counsel for the respondents number 1 to
3.
3. Full stop. The learned counsel for respondents number 1 to 3 has prayed for time to file the written objection. Full stop. Then new para, it is also seen that return of service of notice upon respondent number 4 is still awaited. In view of the above, this is the matter after 3 weeks.
For hearing, item number 12.